Tips for saving money while traveling. Traveling offers the promise of adventure, exploration, and a break from the everyday routine. Whether you're planning a luxurious getaway, a budget-friendly road trip, or an international escapade, managing your finances is a crucial aspect of any travel experience. Fortunately, there are several savvy strategies you can employ to make your journey not only memorable but also cost-effective. Plan and budget wisely. Planning and budgeting wisely are fundamental steps in ensuring a cost-effective and enjoyable travel experience. Thorough research is your first line of defense against unexpected expenses. Dive into the details of your destination, exploring various travel options and identifying the best deals. Take advantage of online tools and platforms to compare prices for flights, accommodations, and activities. Booking in advance often leads to significant savings, especially for flights and lodging. Creating a detailed budget is the cornerstone of financial management while traveling. Consider all potential costs from transportation and accommodation to meals and souvenirs. Many destinations offer free or low-cost experiences, including museums, parks, and cultural events, so research and plan accordingly to make the most of your budget. Optimize your travel expenses. Optimizing travel expenses is key to making your journey cost-effective. Leverage fare comparison websites and apps when booking flights and accommodations. These tools allow you to view prices from multiple providers simultaneously, helping you identify the most budget-friendly options with ease. Additionally, consider flying into or out of nearby airports, as this can sometimes result in lower fares. Travel light to avoid checked baggage fees, packing only what you need in a carry-on suitcase. Public transportation can be both affordable and convenient in many destinations. Investigate local bus, tram, subway, or train systems and purchase multi-day passes or travel cards for additional savings. Public transportation also provides an opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and interact with residents, enhancing your overall travel experience. Be strategic about accommodations and dining. Strategic choices in accommodations and dining can significantly impact your travel budget. Consider alternative lodging options like hostels, guest houses, vacation rentals, or even camping, as these are often more budget-friendly than traditional hotels. Websites and apps like Airbnb.com and Hostelworld provide a vast array of choices to cater to your preferences and budget. To save on dining expenses, balance eating out with preparing your meals. Exploring street food and dining at local eateries allows you to savor the regional cuisine without incurring the higher prices associated with restaurants. This mix of self-prepared and local dining experiences can enhance your culinary adventure while keeping costs in check. Stay mindful of miscellaneous expenses. While focusing on the core elements of your travel expenses, it's crucial not to overlook miscellaneous costs that can add up. When traveling internationally, be vigilant about currency exchange fees. Research the most cost-effective ways to access local currency, such as using ATMs at banks or currency exchange kiosks, which often provide better rates than exchanging money at airports or hotels. Another expense to consider is travel insurance. Compare insurance options to find coverage that aligns with your needs and budget. Additionally, avoid expensive roaming charges when using your mobile phone internationally. Investigate affordable options like purchasing a local SIM card or renting a portable Wi-Fi device, enabling you to stay connected without incurring exorbitant fees from your home provider. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.